Question 6, we are now going to add some formulas to work out the average steps. Question 7, working out the minimum steps, who had the lowest number of steps in the week or per week, and the maximum steps. So question 6, let's type a heading in K1, so cell K1, average steps. So there is K1. If we type in average steps, okay, as you can see while I'm here, that doesn't quite fit in, so we can just adjust our column so it fits in there. Now, to work out the average steps for Emily Jones, okay, we would start our formula with an equals, type in average, okay, and once you've typed in the first few letters, you can check if your formula is there. So we're doing a simple average, double click, and then it's this there, you select your first number, which is this one, drag it across to Friday, close your brackets and press enter. So the average steps for Emily from Monday to Friday are 8,850. Now we could do the same again, okay, so equals average, double click, highlight for Liam, going across, close your bracket, press enter. Now if we had hundreds of rows of data, we might just want to copy that formula down and it's all done for you. Next we want to work out the minimum number of steps. So in column L1, okay, we're going to type in minimum steps. Minimum steps, adjust our column width, okay, and our formulas always start with an equals, okay, so min, okay, and it's just min, okay, double click it, it will open up the bracket, and we want to select the data going up to Friday. Be careful not to add in that one. And so we close our brackets, press enter, and the minimum steps, we can actually check this one. So the lowest amount of steps that Emily did were 8,500. Okay, so we drag that down and we can see that Mia, her minimum steps were 0. Maximum steps, what's the highest number of steps anyone did in the week? So if we type in maximum steps, double click that to adjust the length, equals max, there it is for maximum, select our data from Monday to Friday, close our brackets, press enter and drag down. So we've now worked out the maximum steps anybody did. So if we look at, for example, Lily, the highest number she did in that week was 8,700, and we can see from there that is also 8,700. So whilst I'm here, I can notice that my text is a slightly different size. So if I go to home and I check the size of the text, it's 14, and this text is 11. So if I want to match that up, just highlight and select 14, and now I've made sure that all of my text is the same size. So we've just done the average formula, we've just dragged the formula down, and we've just done number 11 where we've done the minimum steps, maximum steps, and we've also dragged them down as well.